How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another team. And finally, I'm making another team after 3,568 years. The last team, this is their typing team. So you might see this is a steel mono team. So if there is steel, there must be my second favorite Pokemon. My second favorite Pokemon, the one and only legendary I can use, Zacian. Man, I love Zacian. Everybody hates it, but this thing should be in AG. And I like Zacian. And this item is Rush Shot, ability is Interpret Shot, which gives us an attack boost. We have Behemoth Blade and Player for step, close combat and crunch for coverage and max attack, max speed, jolly nature set. And the second Pokemon is one of my other favorite Pokemon, which I got a sweep. Actually, I almost got a sweep with this thing in a random battle. But yeah, with Steelium Z, with Beach Boost, which boosts our higher stat. If we get a Pokemon, we have Trick Room and Jerabola and Status for sharp body press, and this one max HP, max attack, adamant nature set. And yeah, this thing gets body press with 211 defense. And the next Pokemon is Choice Picks Magnezone with Analytic, which boosts our moose power if we move last. And we have Thunderbolt and Volt Switch and Flash Cannon for stab and body press. This is max HP, max special attack, modest nature set. And next up is our Mega Metagross with Tough Class, Meteor Mash, Zenith Bird, Bullet Punch, Ice Punch, Max Attack, Max Speed, Jolly Nature. Also, I can only have one G Max, one Mega, and one Zimu, so I am limiting my team spots, and I can only have one Pokemon from one generation. So yeah, and the last Pokemon is, and last up is our Duraludon, the G Max. You have a surprise, and this is a life upset with light metal. We have Draco Meteor and Flash Cannon for step, Thunderbolt for coverage substitute, because this thing doesn't get any nice special moves. This is a max special attack, max speed, mid nature set. Okay, let's go to the first battle. Here we are in the first battle. Let's see star played. At the start of the first battle, I sent out my Zacian crown. My opponent sent out his Galvantula. I switched out into my Magnificent Zone. My opponent went for Sticky Web, and my opponent went for Volt Switch into his, you guessed it right, his Garchomp, and I Volt Switched because it's ground type, so it's immune. So I obviously send out my Corviknight, which doesn't and he went for Earthquake, who doesn't get affected by Sticky Web over the Earthquake. My opponent missed his Rock Slide, and I got a free bulk up. And my opponent, I Dynamaxed my Corviknight and used G-Max, and he went for Rock Slide, done 10% to me, Peculiar. I went for G-Max Windrage, which gets rid of all hazards like Defog, and KO'd the Garchomp. Yes, you see it correctly, my opponent sent its Galvantula is Thunderbolt. I am using an Corviknight instead of Duraludon as my G-Max because you have a surprise, guys. You'll have a surprise. I said this is the surprise because I thought, man, I got tired of using that thing, so I went for Corviknight. Also, my opponent switched out into his first race, and I went max knuckle on that. I returned to normal, and I went for BB on the for it race. Should not have gone for that, but whatever. My opponent went for Stealth Rocks, and I went for Body Press, killed the fortress, and my opponent sent out into his Greninja, went for Surf, killed my Corviknight, no problemo. He got his Ash Greninja Battle Bond. I sent out my Zacian Crowned or Zacian. I went for close combat, not risking any player of BS, player of miss. And my opponent went for Surf, but I survived anyway, and I went for Crunch and KO'd it. And my opponent sent out his Alakazam, even though I just revealed Crunch, but it's a Mega, so it can outspeed me, and it got Interpret Sword, which is useless because Alakazam is not that physical offensive. My opponent went for Psychic and KO'd my thing, Zacian. I sent out my Stack Attacker. My opponent missed his Focus Blast, thankfully, and I got my Trick Room. And I went for Gyroball, KO'd Alakazam, and I got my defense boost. My opponent sent out Galvantula. I went for Stone Edge, killed the Galvantula, and my opponent for Red. And there, I'll see you guys in the second battle. Okay, guys, here we're in the second battle, and let's play the second battle. At the start of the second battle, I sent out my Scizor. My opponent sent out his Zapdos, and for Runners, I went for U-turn. I sent out my Metagross, and he got his leftovers recovery. I mega my Metagross and revealed my sponge, cured the Zapdos, and my opponent sent his Moltres bird goes brrrr. I went for Ice Punch, but it survived and went for Max Jerkiness. Cured my Metagross, and my opponent I sent out my Zacian Crown, and I went for Play effing Rough and cured the Moltres Gillier. My opponent sent his Articuno. I have crunch and cured it. My opponent sent his Moltres. And I switched on to my Duraludon strategically because he done so much with his flare blades. I Dynamaxed my Duraludon and G-Max Duraludon went for Max Lightning. He went for flare blades first, whatever. I went for Max Lightning, cured the Moltres. And my opponent sent out this the Durkey, this Zapdos Galar went for CC, cured my Duraludon. And I sent my Magna effing zone. My opponent for CC again. Cured my Magna effing zone. This is looking bad for me. Nice. And I sent out my Zacian and quickly I went for player, cured the turkey, and my opponent sent out his Articuno Galar. And I went for B with blood and cured it. And let's go to the third battle. Here in third battle, let's play it. At the start of that battle, I sent for Scissor. My opponent sent out his Kyogre with Primordial C. He went for Thunder, then Peculiar Amount, I went for Uto, and started my Magna effing zone. My armor switched out into his Houndoom, but Analytic boosted Chargepex boosted Stab won't switch K out the Houndoom. And I switched out into my Stuck Attacker. My opponent sent out his Primarina, carried me with my Sparkling Aria. I sent out my Magna effing zone. He went for his Z move to KO my Magna zone. Imagine having study on my Magna zone though. It's not my meat gross. And I mega it went for medium mesh, got my attack boost, my opponent went for Moonblast, does peculiar amount to damage. Learn my special attack, my opponent switched out into his Gardevoir, who got Puff Class. I went for Bullet Punch, killed the Gardevoir. My opponent sent out his leg on rock, used Storage on me, but it's useless because I went for Meteor Mash and KO'd it. And my opponent is in a very bad spot now, my opponent sent out his Kyogre. I went for Zen Headbutt, he went Thunder of all things. I went for Bullet Punch, killed the Kyogre. And my opponent sent out his Glaceon. He dynamized his Glaceon. I went for Meteor Mash, doesn't even kill it. My opponent went for Max Storm, killed my Metagross, or Metagross as you guys can say. I sent out my Scizor, went for Stab, Bullet Punch, Technician Booster, super effective. And my opponent sent out his Primarina. And I went for Bullet Punch and KO. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode of another team. Peace. Also, I hope you guys liked my accent where I learned my voice. Yeah, peace.